Zebra is delighted to be launching the brand new ZT231 Industrial Printer, replacing the ZT230. The product has been intelligently engineered to bring a huge range of features to an affordable price point. This is why the ZT231 Industrial Printer is the perfect printer for you. The ZT231 is a link-OS printer, meaning it has access to Zebra's powerful Print-DNA suite of tools, including emulations that allow the ZT231 to emulate programming languages from other vendors such as TSC, SATO and Datamax. All of these languages are preloaded out the box, so it's never been easier to replace another vendor in the field. Zebra has introduced a 4.3-inch color touch display, making it easier to see printer status and seek support via wizards and animations. This is the same touch display on several other Zebra printers, so it'll be an interface many of your end users are already going to be familiar with. Ethernet, USB host and Bluetooth Low Energy are all standard on the ZT231, giving you a huge flexibility with a wide range of communication types. The ZT231 has a max speed of 12 bits, meaning it's ideal for applications which require higher speeds on a budget. On top of this, RFID is now supported on the ZT231, making the technology even more accessible and affordable. If you require any further information about the ZT231, please visit zebra.com or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.